the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman and his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss.